Hello everybody, welcome to Premium Quality. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove black bars by replacing them with a blur of the original video or photo. So how I like to do this is, here is a logo. I'm just going to use my channel logo for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag it, and as you can see, it has black bars because the aspect ratio I have selected for this is 16:9. So that's the aspect ratio that YouTube typically uses. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click the crop right here to crop this, and then I'm gonna change the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then I can move it to somewhere, like for example right here, and then I'm gonna click OK. So now it's zoomed in. Now I know it's blurry, but we're gonna blur it anyways. So now go to the effects and search blur in the included, and then click and drag the square blur. Now if you double click, you can adjust the size of the blur. So I'm gonna blur it that much. Next, I'm going to go back to the media and add in the video once again. Now this time I can adjust it and adjust the size of it, and there you go. I'm sorry for interrupting your tutorial, but if you're enjoying this so far and finding it helpful, then please subscribe. Now mine is really, like, you can't tell the difference between the background and this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and double click on it and then add a drop shadow, so it has that, and I'm going to just bring the distance all the way down, add a slight blur and the opacity all the way up. If I had no blur, it's not gonna look really good, so you can't even tell that's there. So I'm gonna add it about right there, and I'm just gonna keep the shadow color black, and there we go. Now you could do pretty much anything you like with it. So yeah, that is it for today's tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video.